राज्यसभा की तस्वीरें भी दिखाएंगे।
Final examination, but in an interview, by just a stroke of luck, they don't make it. They're as good as those who have already made it into IAS or IRS. For them, we last year set up Pratibha Setu so that they can be accessed by PSUs, private companies. Already 335 private companies have registered on this portal. The average time taken for the conduct of many of these recruitment agencies was earlier 9 months, 8 days, reduced to 8 months and 24 days as far as the SSC concerned. Cyber security concerns were raised. Already the measures has been taken. The CCTV cameras have been taken. If I go on and on, it will be taking long. But yes, I would have to mention about some of the members said that Radhakrishnan committee has not been implemented. As I say, unfortunately, I think the bill has not been ready in full because in spite of the fact that enough time was given by the chairman, by the chair, Radhakrishnan committee recommended, as I said in the morning, 46 key recommendations. I said this in the morning, but I did not elaborate because I thought it was not necessary. Out of that, 76% have already been implemented. Now, for the satisfaction of those who still refuse to believe, the specific measures that have already been implemented include A. Aadhaar-based biometric authentication. B. AI-enabled face authentication. C. Multi-layer frisking. D. CCTV surveillance. E. Signal jammers.
No change.
F. State and district coordination committees. G. Grievance reporting and redressal cell. And 9. The restructuring of NTA, which has already been initiated. Now, referring to some of the specifics that have been raised, the LOP in the morning was feeling hurt when I narrated the different, I'll take another 5 minutes because